Alright, guys, so today, in this video, we're gonna be playing Don't Get Eliminated. I know it's an old game. It's an old game. Alright, I get it. Let me do my intro, okay? So today in this video, we're gonna be playing Don't Get Eliminated till, till we win, actually. Because I have won this game a couple times, I'm not gonna lie. But, yeah. So, this is my team. I have a baby Fulton for some reason. I don't get that. But, yeah, so today's video, we're just gonna be playing Don't Get Eliminated till we win. And trust me, we gotta win. So, let's just play till we win. Let's go. Right now, we gotta win this, bro. If we die so early, I'm gonna crash. And the thing is, I gotta look at comments because they could be trying to vote me out. No, because I know people in this game, they be like, sorry, Taji, or sorry to whoever's username they're about to vote out. Dang it, I fell. But guys, to be honest, I have one recorded video. And to be honest, that made me so mad. I had to waste 50 minutes at Tower of Hell. It was boring. I was literally right there. I fumbled so hard. Hey, there we go. We're here. I guess we're playing with 3 against 3. Actually, we're playing with 4 against 3. Holy, we're about to lose. Is anybody on blue team? Or is this hard? Please don't tell me that's a red team. Never mind, we have 6 right now. Hey, we could probably clutch up. Well, actually, we already did clutch up. Yo, if I'm being so honest, red might win. Actually, no, blue might. No, red or blue might win, but blue's in the lead right now, so I'm feeling like blue could win. Yeah, I think, blue won. So, looks like we gotta vote out one of the reds. Now, what's your suggestions, alright? Let me see. Alright, who should I vote out? You know what? Alright, we'll let the Bacons live. You know, the Bacons could live. Nah, being fake Fulton, I might have to vote you off for that, gang. Actually, well, he can be a Fulton fan, so I can't vote him out. To be honest, bro, I might just vote out. What's his name? Yamile. I might vote out Yamile. Oh, wait, Yamile's on our team. Who should I vote out then?
How pathetic. I can do better in my sleep.
No, you cannot, gang. Yo, he is lying so
It's now in
hard.
your team's hands to decide who gets eliminated now.
I don't even know who. I'm not gonna lie, I like everybody on red team, to be honest. They're all
You
cool.
are safe. It appears there are merely 2 choices.
Not the Bacon,
remaining.
bro. Come on. Yo, if y'all voted out the Bacon, I'm gonna crash.
And you are the last one safe tonight.
Yo, y'all are a huge L for
Your
that.
long-awaited elimination is
Whoever voted out the Bacon, you're a huge L for that.
Yes! Yes!
Bacons are the OGs. Y'all just are not gonna let them live. Wow. Wow, gang. I mean, to be honest, I was gonna be mad for anybody that was gonna vote out anybody, so to be honest, I can't really blame them.
The teams have been shuffled. Say hello to your new teammates.
I mean, I'm not seeing nobody new on my team, to be honest. Oh, the fake. Oh, wait, hold on. I noticed that guy. He
Today
was
we're
on
playing
Actually, he was on my
volleyball.
team. I don't
Hit the
even know
balls
this
into the other team's side to win. 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay. Why not pull off this music? It could be copyright. Wait, let's if I turn off music. There we go. Now I don't gotta worry about copyright. Wait, blue has more points right now. Yo, look at that, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I used to like the game called Volleyball Legends, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. Thank you for that one video that got a lot of views, bro. That was actually crazy, to be honest. Oh shit, we might lose this. Hold up.
Good job! You did it!
I literally just said no music, but okay. I don't even know who to vote out, to be honest. I hope they don't all just gang up and vote me out.
The blue team lost tonight. You guys really need to step it up. Come on. It's now in your team's hands to decide who gets eliminated now.
No way, I don't want this game eliminated, bro. Come on.
You live to see another day. It looks
Okay,
like
stop
there are
me,
only two possibilities left.
I hope the Fulton don't die, I'm not gonna lie. I hope the
You
Golden
are
will
the
die
last
either,
one
so I'm not gonna lie.
safe
One of them
tonight.
gotta die, though, to be honest.
I played
Yo.
you. You're not actually getting eliminated.
You're Pessy, don't kill me. They actually voted him
Your
out.
long-awaited elimination has arrived.
I didn't even get no views.
Yes!
They must not want to vote me, to be honest.
Dodge the objects coming down the conveyor belt to avoid getting pushed off. Last team standing wins.
Losers hang out there. I'm not hanging out there.
Excuse me. Oh, you're the one. Excuse me. Oh, you're the one. You're the one. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Holy shit! How did I not die yet? I'm half HP, bro. Let's see who's getting eliminated tonight. Losers. Yo, chill, bro. Yo, chill, bro. Chill.
Red team! You call that effort? I can achieve more during a nap. The call on who to eliminate is now in the hands of your team.
His name is.
You are safe.
I knew it was gonna be him.
There was a tie. I will be deciding their fates now.
Why does he get to decide, bro? Why can we not, like, you know,
It
do a
appears
quarter
there are
or
merely
something?
two
Do a
choices
coin.
remaining.
Flip a coin.
And you are the last one safe tonight.
Yeah, he wasn't joking about that.
Yes! Yes! Jump over the standard
Oh, I
to
like this
avoid
one,
getting
bro.
pushed off.
They might be
Last team
cooked.
standing wins.
Bro, I like this one. Nobody's winning off of me, bro. I'm gonna yell that right now. No!
Good job! You did it!
Still one, though? Yo, where am I? Yo. Maybe I should turn this video to Finding Miss.
Red team! You call that effort? I could achieve more during a nap.
Yo, bro's just
The
making
call on
things
who to
now.
eliminate is now in the hands of your team.
Let's just see. Let's just see.
Say,
No way Block Blast is sending me something right now.
there was a tie.
Didn't they all get a vote, though? Like, how is that fair? He just chooses anybody at this point, bro.
It looks like only two choices remain. And you are the last one safe tonight. Oh, sorry. I made a miscalculation. You're not the one actually getting eliminated.
Oh, wow.
The moment has arrived for your elimination, my friend. Indeed! Yes! Yes!
Well, I guess he's gone. When are we gonna get to the top 5, top 10, or whatever?
The first team to fully finish the obstacle course will win! Good luck!
You saying good luck? Bad. Dang it, I died. Luckily you get a lot of time for this one, I'm not even gonna lie. Nah, what if it's a tie though? They be making that problem all the time. Hey, come on. Come on, blue team, y'all got that. Come on, my team, y'all got that. 4-3. Yo, I swear if he doesn't make it, I'm voting him out. I don't even care. W's.
Good job! You did it!
Yeah, we won. It's red team again. Let's go. Let's see who's gonna get eliminated tonight. I don't know who's gonna get eliminated, you know? They can pick anybody, to be honest. Tell them we could pick, bro. Come on.
The red team is lost. How pathetic. I can do better in my sleep.
He said the same thing, but okay.
It's now in your team's hands to decide who gets eliminated now.
Let's see. Who's gonna be getting on
You
it?
are safe. It
Oh,
appears there are merely 2 choices remaining. And you are the last one safe tonight. The moment has arrived for your elimination, my friend.
you just saw that.
Yes! Yes!
I don't know, that's weird, bro.
The teams have been shuffled. Say hello to your new teammates.
Wait, we could win anything, because there's only 4 of them. Yeah, 5 people over here. Well, actually, they also have 5. Nah, he only shuffled the team because they
Jump
had
on the
more.
trampoline. When you're in the air, go through the hoops to collect points for your team.
Yeah, we need
The
to
team
win,
with the
guys.
most points will
We
win.
need to win, bro. That's our main goal. We need to win. Ew, bro. Yo, disgust. I don't want to collect the green ones, to be honest. I got 2 and a 2. Yo, how does the red team have that much? What do the red team be doing? Hey, I'm not gonna fake them though. They do have 18. I couldn't get Carver right there, so like. Yeah, I got 2. Oh, I got 2 reds, cuz. Come on. I'm not gonna lie, I think I like the green ones better. Yo, no way the red is going to.
Good job! You did it!
No way the red is going 4 for 4. The red is going 4 for 4, bro. 4 losses and 4 eliminations. No way. Yeah, I think we know who's getting eliminated tonight. Yamail, or whatever it is, underscore BLG. I think it's him. Or Red. Actually, Red's too cool to get eliminated, to be honest. Look at how sick bro is. He's so cool.
This time the other team is picking who gets eliminated. Good
Go.
luck!
Nah, yeah, Miles, I'm sorry. I gotta eliminate you, bro. I think we all know.
You are safe. It appears there are merely 2 choices remaining.
Why do I got so many sends to me?
And you are the last one safe tonight. I pranked you. You're not actually getting eliminated. The
Yo.
moment has arrived for your elimination, my friend. Indeed. Yes! Yes!
No, I need y'all Miles to get eliminated, bro.
You're gonna be playing the classic game of Dodgeball. Hit others with the ball, but don't get hit yourself. 3, 2, 1, go!
No, we're going 5 for 5, gang. We're going 5 for 5. No, we gotta go 5 for 5. We went 5 for 5.
Good job! You did it!
Yo, I'm gonna count how many times they just got eliminated, bro, because I bet it's a bunch of times. Yo, we are going 5 for 5. I don't care. We are going 5 for 5. Hey, y'all better discuss, bro, because I don't know who's getting eliminated over there. But y'all got enough time to think about that, you know? There's like 4 of y'all, so like, you know, one of y'all gotta get voted out. Probably the Miles, buddy. Nah, switch things up, come on.
Red team, what are you doing?
Same thing I'm saying.
Lost!
Same thing I'm saying.
The call on who to eliminate is now in the hands of your team.
Don't let it be Ren. Come on. Ren's cool, bro. Just look at him.
You're in the clear.
One,
There was a time
please,
I
Yamile.
will be deciding
Please,
the
Yamile.
fates now. It looks like there are only 2 possibilities left. And you are the last one safe tonight.
Please keep that. Yes.
It's time to get eliminated.
Yes,
my friend.
finally, bro. I need to get eliminated. Holy shoot.
Yes! Yes!
On top.
Teams are a thing of the past. It's a free-for-all. The only players safe from elimination are the winners of each mini-game.
This is weird. We got everybody here. All right.
First player to beat the obstacle course will win immunity.
I need him.
Good luck! 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah, we lost.
Good job! You did it!
We lost, bro. Yo, sorry for that. Alright, my name is ending right
We gathered all the losers here to have another voting session.
Blah, 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 blah.
Cast your votes now. Now, I say.
Ellie, I'm sorry.
Safe!
Let's go.
It seems there are only 2 options left.
Come on.
And you are the last one safe. Guys, I'm kidding. They're not actually getting eliminated. It's time
Did
to
you
get
see they're not getting
eliminated, my
eliminated?
friend. Yes! Yes!
I feel bad.
First player to beat the obstacle course will win immunity. Good luck! 3, 2, 1, go!
You did it!
Go. I won. I won immunity. Let's go. W's, W's, W's. I'm not risking Minion. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all crazy for that. Minion. You look at Minion's avatar. That's cool, bro. I'm sorry, bro. If it's my vote, I'm gonna have to vote out. I don't even know.
Well, we gathered all the losers here to have another voting session. Cast your votes now! Now, I say! You're in the clear. It looks like there are only two possibilities left.
Yeah, I was thinking about voting out her too. I'm not even gonna lie.
And you are the last one safe tonight. Oh, sorry. I made a miscalculation. You're not the one actually
you
getting
what?
eliminated.
Less players, I guess.
Your long-awaited elimination has arrived, my friend.
Hey, it's top 4 now.
Yes! Yes! You're gonna be playing the classic game of Dodgeball. Hit others with the ball, but don't get hit yourself. 3, 2, 1, go!
Good job!
Go.
You did it!
I won again, bro. I'm just doing it, bro. I gotta get to top 2, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, yo. I think it's that time. I think it's that time, to be honest. Well, actually, no, I'm voting on you. I'm voting on you. I'm not gonna lie, I'm voting on you. You're the one that's getting eliminated.
Things are gonna switch up this time. The player that won immunity will decide who gets eliminated. It looks like only 2 choices remain. And you are the last one safe tonight. I pranked you. You're not actually getting eliminated. The moment has arrived for your elimination, my friend. Indeed. Yes! Yes! Dodge the boulders that fall on the platform. Be the last person standing to win. 3, 2, 1, go!
Good job! You did it!
Who's the immunity gonna pick? I'm scared for the immunity he's gonna pick, to be honest.
Another poor performance has brought you to me once again. Losers, it's time to vote to eliminate somebody. Vote carefully. It seems there are only two options left. And you are the last one safe tonight. The moment has arrived for your elimination, my friend. Indeed. Yes.
And I lost.
Yes.
Oh, what a real shame. To be honest, I'll say minion.
Congratulations, finalists.
Shut up.
One of you
Okay, anyways, y'all. Alright. That was the video. If y'all like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and comment what your favorite part was. I'll see you all later. Have a nice Thursday. Yeah.